Cultural differences.
One is Manopo. Do you know what Manopo is? Ganon sa elders. Wala talaga to sa Korea. So, puro bow lang tayo, di ba? Akala ko nung una, when they gave me the hand, akala ko, shake hands eh. Pero yun pala, you place their hands to your forehead and it's showing of respect daw. Kamayan. Parang it's a special way to enjoy your meal. Parang gusto ko i-try. Singing and dancing. Shopping malls, restaurants, kahit sa employees dun, kumakanta sila, sumasayo sila. It looks fun and happy talaga. So, you're enjoying the moment. Kung ina-enjoy mo yung buhay mo, that's enough, diba? And next is God-relying mindset. Akala ko nung una kasi, bakit puro God? Then I realized na it's about letting go of something that you can't control. So, you did everything by your own na, and si God na bahala. That's a good mindset. Sa mga relationships, selos. Many say na it's seen as care and affection, pero dapat hindi sumobra. Kung meron ba tayong mga special cultures sa Philippines na hindi ko na-mention, please let us know sa comment.